What's up, Wolfpack? It's me, Philip, and today I'm hosting the show, and I'm gonna go put my phone away now. See you, Wolfpack. Philip, who did you see yesterday? Your corpse. Bye, Philip. Scoot over now.
Why are you here?
What's up, Philip? Or Shep? Patrick, I thought you were dead.
Nope.
I thought you died from that sickness you got in the first episode.
Nope.
You're alive?
All alive.
Oh.
I was going to doctors.
Oh.
Pretty good. How about you? Pretty good. Carolines. Good grade Carolines 2026.
Oh yeah.
So we're just. I'll see you.
It's like Shakespeare, Astolfo, and
Astolfo.
what's his name? Aristocrates.
Aristotle.
Aristotle, yeah. And
Aristocrates.
And what's his name? What's the other one?
We're still
Aristotle.
on page 7.
Aristotle. Okay, yeah, you're Aristotle. I'm Shakespeare, and you're what?
I'm page 7.
Socrates. Hi, Philip. What's up? No! No! What's up?
Keep doing this shit to me. It's time you learn. Kane's the best teacher. Oh! Kane is the best teacher.
Oh.
I mean, if words don't work, Kane will. All you complained was last time. That's all you did. Today, you keep stealing my seat.
He just wants to watch watches, bro. Kick rocks.
I can't believe he actually hit you.
I think he's actually good. Why did you hit him?
Because I'm tired of it.
You could have asked him to move. You could have said
I've
move.
been doing that and he keeps staying there.
Damn, bro. That's not, bro. Yo, hitting him, that cannot be real. Oh my god, I'm he was just shaking.
It's the...
Philip hit no one with his water bottle.
Alright, Wolfpack, class is starting. Make sure to vote in the poll. Who's more aggressive, Philip or who would win, Nolan or Philip?
I'm Philip might shake us.
He would shake me with his multi-tool. What's up?
Better than TT me for Ginto.
You know, no one. Maybe that is actually your favorite song.
I know, I believe you, Nolan.
I believe you.
What's up?
What's up?
Yo, when...
Hi, Philip.
Showdown time, guys.
Philip, you and me.
Oh.
Get it, Philip.
I'm settling.
You should get slapped.
Yo, Philip.
Não cessa do fim de semana.